Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the burger poster in Canva. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, the first step you can do, you can access this canva.com, and don't worry because you can create this poster with your even the smartphone. And here I prefer to open it with my PC to get more spacious view. It is okay about the media that you would like to open it. And after that, don't forget to do the login first with your email. And next I will go to this custom size and I will choose the size of the poster. So here will be 24 for the width, and also the height will be 36, and the units will be in inch. And click create the new design here. And after that it will bring you into this another tab to create your project. And as you can see, this will be the blank that we will use to create the poster. And I will change the color here. Click this background color to become black. And the next thing is I will go to the element, and after that you can searching for the picture of the hamburger. And for example, I have tried this one, and you can simply adjust the size into this section like this. And it is also depends on the purpose that you making this poster. For example, do you want to create the business to sell the burger, or for example, I have prepared for you the example, I would like to create the movie poster or the documentary poster about the burger, guys. And this will be the title of the movie or the documentary film. And also this is the detail of the poster itself. Well, basically for the burger you can use it for any purposes. For example, I will show you how to create this poster. And the next thing I will do is create the title of this poster movie or the documentary, guys. So you can start to add the text, and at the text box, for example, I will type the reveal all in capital letter, and I will change the color to be white, and I will move it up here, and I will add more another text, and I will type the burger like this. And I also change the color again to become white, and I will change or increase the size to become 200, I'm sorry. And you can adjust it again and move it. Make sure it is precision. And I will also add the or increase the size, and I will slightly thicken this title, and I will add the additional text like know what you eat. And again you can increase the size, for example to be 70. Okay, keep it 100, I think it's better. And don't forget to change the color. Okay, it better to reduce or decrease the size like this, so people can also distinguish which one the title, which one is the, let's say, the tagline, like this. And after that I will add the additional text up here. For example, the documentary by Mia La Cruz, for example, I will simply copy this up here. And also for the poster movie, usually it will give you the detail of the cast. So you can put it here, down here, and put the detail. And I will copy it and move the position, and also the company that do the record of this movie, for example this one. If it's you find the hardship to copy it, then you can simply block this and give it a Control C and go back to our page, and voila. You can also adjust the size by expand the size here like this. And after that, I will put the last touch. As you can see that there is the picture, like the shadow behind this burger and also this font or this title. So you can actually get the picture by clicking this element. And for example, I will type the co-forming and you will see a lot of picture. For example, on the realistic picture, I will click it, and for the user, they will usually give you two chances to generate the picture about the thing that you would like to post into this section. And if you are interested, then you can upgrade this photo, upgrade this version to become the pro version, and you will get the 30 days free trial. And for example, I will choose the picture that I have prepared before. For example, this one. I will expand the size. Don't worry if the picture covers all of the view of this poster. And after that, you can go to the transparency, and I will change it to become, let's say, 15 is enough. Okay, we can simply change it anyway. And after that, I will also add the additional picture, like grinding the meat. As you can see, for the realistic photo, there is the crown. That means you need to upgrade it to become pro version, and it is okay. And for example, I will copy this one and put it here and move it. So that's it, the poster that I have made about the burger to be refilled, and this is the poster to be ready to be posted with your purposes, let's say the movie or your business in culinary. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback about this poster, please let me know on the comment section. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.